less you study, but the more you revise, the chances
Yeah,
of success are high and high. And answer writing is the most important part in the preparation.
yeah.
You have to write appropriate answers of the question. I don't think that Narendra Modi has done anything as of now, that will be remembered.
So, if you had a chance to meet someone, a leader from the history, alive or dead, who would you like to meet?
Adolf Hitler.
Oh,
What is going on in Bengal, you know
yeah, man.
what is going on, the beating up and all the things that is going on in
Yeah.
Bengal.
Yeah, so hello everyone. Welcome to the Unknowns. And today we have with us Aryan Pandey, a UPSC aspirant, but more than that, a friend of mine. So it would be better that he introduces himself. So, Aryan, your introduction in a few lines.
So, hello everyone. My name is Aryan Pandey, and I study in Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, and I am a second year student. I've completed my second year.
Yeah,
So, and yes, I am an aspirant of the UPSC, the esteemed UPSC examination. I hope to crack it in coming years. So that's my dream. Yeah.
brief introduction. Yeah. Also, but this was very modest introduction. The introduction that I would like to give you guys is that Aryan is the most, well-versed person I have come across in my whole life. Who knows so much about history, so much about general knowledge, so much about current affairs. So that will be my introduction for him. And then, Aryan, how did what was the thing about your childhood? Like, how do you become interested in this politics area and this UPSC? Like, was it from childhood or did it came later?
I think I was interested in this area in the very beginning of my childhood. I don't clearly remember it. I was in the first or second class. I think it was the KG or first class, as far as I
Okay.
remember. It
Okay.
was that time, and I was given a award in my school here itself in Allahabad.
In KG or
My
first
starting days
class?
of schooling. Yes, yes, in
For
KG,
what? For what?
in
For
KG
what?
of first class.
For a
Uh,
debate or something?
I was no, no, not debate. For academics, I think for academics or for some play I had did in that
Okay.
school function.
Okay. Okay.
I don't remember it exactly, but I think it was for academics. I don't know. My
Okay.
mother remembers it very well. I will ask her later.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, but yeah, so I was awarded that award, and there my school was very new. It was newly opened. It was just 1 or 2 years. It was opened very recently. So big chief. I mean, some chief guest was also
Present there.
welcome
Yeah.
there. So he was asked to come, and yes, yeah, he was present there, and he was, you will not believe, I saw first civil servant of my life in
Okay.
that area. He was
Okay.
the dig of Allahabad zone, and I was astonished. I was completely. I mean, it was an unimaginable moment for me. And then I was uh, given information about that thing. My my nana,
Yeah.
he is also very much interested in that area.
Okay.
He told me about it, all the things, how the position is esteemed, how he manages the whole area,
Area.
and
True.
yes, how he is so much uh, respected in this field. So he gave me about all that information that day, and then I came to know that he had so much prestige and so much respect for him, that he was present there. And then I think I told them that I want to pursue this field, this
Yeah.
dream. I want to become an IAS officer.
So, have you watched the TBS Aspirant? I'm sure you
Hmm.
have.
Yes, I have watched it, but
Yeah.
unfortunately, I have not watched the series
Oh
finale as of now.
man. Oh
Yeah,
man.
I came to my hometown and I did not get very much time, so
I'm
I
going to
hope
give you the
I
spoiler then.
no, please don't,
Acha,
please don't.
whatever you have seen, what have you learned from it? Like, is it a bit realistic, or is it just like a movie, or what did you learn from it? If it's realistic, what did you learn from it?
I think it was pretty realistic,
Yeah,
but in Indian cinema there is always a crisp of romance and
yeah, but
some
that should
some
be there,
some
na? Because they have to earn also.
yeah, yes, that is the point. So it was realistic, yes, but and as far as the learning is concerned, I think
Yeah.
it teaches us that as long as you are committed to the
Hmm.
to the to the learning, to the process. It said, the series said that the the journey is more important than the result,
True, true.
because it teaches us so much that if you are not, I am praying to God that this never happens to anyone,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
whoever is preparing for it. But if you are not successful in this examination,
Hmm.
uh, then you learn so much in this journey, the throughout journey of this preparation. Then
True.
you if you go to any field, any business, any job you land in, you are going to make it a fortune for yourself.
Yeah.
Definitely a fortune. You are going to earn everything that you could have through the civil services.
Yeah, very true, very
That
true.
is the part of it.
Like, even if
And
you don't
this
clear the
this
exam, you learn
this
to earn a
was
lot.
said in the yes, you learn a lot. You
Yeah.
make a good human being. You make a good
Hmm.
example. Do's and don'ts are very important as well
Yeah, yeah,
for
yeah.
the life.
Yeah, very true, very true. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
yeah. So, now we are seeing Indian politics at its peak right now, amidst the coronavirus and all. Although it's in India, it's always at peak. One thing that you like about Indian politics, and one thing that you hate about Indian politics. Like, what is the best and worst part about Indian politics?
Indian politics.
Yeah.
I think I like the Indian system of election.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You
Yeah,
know,
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
It's
it
democratic,
is
man. Like,
very. It is yeah, the very democratic means of election of the government is very unique and very interesting part of the politics of India.
very true.
So I like it very much, and I cannot say any the names of any leader or something like
No, no,
that.
no.
If you
You
are
don't have
interested
to.
in that,
No, 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 no.
I
For
cannot
that, we
say.
have a rapid
And
fire round. For masala, we have a rapid fire round. Yeah.
yeah, and the non-loving part, I think, is the media, the role of the media in
Hmm.
politics.
Yeah, yeah,
Right
yeah.
now, the role of media in the Indian politics is the most hating part of the politics of India.
Yeah.
I
So,
think so.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Might not be
Definitely.
everyone else's opinion.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So,
Yeah.
now coming on to the media only, that what do you think? What is going wrong with the media? Why it has just surrendered What is going wrong? What is wrong with this media?
Uh, Media, it is a very long and very, detailed topic. We can
Yeah, very
talk
true.
about it for hours.
Very true.
But
Yeah.
the thing only, yeah, the thing about Indian media is that they are more, about marketing and
Hmm.
getting TRP,
TRP, very true.
more about that. How much I can get masala from politics, how much I can get TRPs, and how much I can get, the more people's attention
Yeah,
to their
yeah.
channel, to their printed work, that kind of thing. So that is very very much
Devastating.
bad thing about that. Yeah, devastating. Yes, devastating.
Yeah. Also, the thing is, bro, we understand that you have to earn money and you have to be the number one, but at least show good content, at least show news. So
Yes, yes.
even if you
You
show
know,
good
I
news,
yes, yeah,
yeah, say.
I was uh, scrolling up for on Facebook, and I came across one individual named Nitish Rajput. I think you have heard of him.
Okay.
He said, and I think it is the truth. And I have also seen foreign media, American media, and the British
Yeah.
media. I have seen them,
They
and
are brutal.
he said that they are brutal, but he said that in foreign countries, the social media, they come across some uh, bad points, the trolling points, some
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
misinformation. The main thing is misinformation, गलत चीजें, जैसे हम कहते हैं गलत चीजें,
Mm-hmm.
है ना? So misinformation, and the mainstream media covers it up and clears the thing that this is not true
Ah,
and that is not true and this is the real truth.
this is very true.
Mainstream media does that, but here in India, what are we
It's
seeing?
just the
Here in
opposite.
India, we are just seeing the opposite of the thing that is happening outside the country.
Very, very true, man. Very true.
Mainstream media is spreading the the
Fake news.
false, fake news, yeah, fake news. And the social media, the Twitter or anything, Facebook, they are actually making the truth come out of it. you know
Yeah.
we are just facing the opposite thing, and that, I think, that is devastating as well.
Very true, very true. And also, we are doing this podcast amidst the, the oxygen crisis and amidst the
Yes.
horrendous period. So, what do you think? Like, why did the second wave come? Like, was it the fault of, the as you are talking about the mainstream media, the one thing that they have done, I don't know deliberately or what, but in the news they are not using the word government. That this is the fault of government. They are using the word system. So wherever you will see they are
Yeah, yeah,
using the
yeah.
word systems, you would have heard this thing. So
Yes,
what do you
yes, yes.
think? What do you think? Was it the fault of this government or our system is like that?
I think we have to blame both,
This is also
because
true.
because because from past 40, 50 years, we have seen that the politicians are making only for things about themselves,
Hmm.
and not focusing on the main building blocks of a democracy,
Can you
namely
explain
the
this a bit? Can you elaborate this a bit, like making about
yes, yes,
themselves?
yes, I'm coming to it.
Yeah.
The education, the first thing is education, the building blocks
Hmm.
of democracy,
True.
the education, the healthcare system,
Health.
the sanitation. All
Hmm.
these things are combinedly the effect of what we are facing now. See, if
Yeah.
if there would have been proper education, people would have thought of, oh, there is COVID-19, so we have to
Hmm.
maintain feet, and we have to not you know spit in public places, and this and that,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
all the do's and
Yeah,
don'ts.
all the necessary
But the
precautions. Yeah.
the government, yes, precautions, but the government has had to so much publicity and so much
Hmm.
information. It is their duty to do so, but if they had focused on the education department, the result might have been some different, you know
Yeah, yeah.
and the sanitation part. If I think Modi government is doing something about the
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
sanitation.
I
They
agree. I
are
agree
building,
on this part.
yeah, they are building toilets and some. They are doing about sanitation, but it is not up to the mark. We have to do it more, more fast and more efficiently, you know,
Yeah, it
and
should be more
the
on the ground and less on Twitter, I think.
yeah, that is the point. Yes,
Yeah.
more on the ground and less publicity, less marketing. And one thing, the last evening, yesterday, my family was there, and we were just discussing about these things, and
Hmm.
it a point came out that Modi government is mainly focusing on publicity and marketing rather
Yeah.
than governance.
And they are really
And
good
I
at it.
also came, yeah, they're really good at it. Yes,
Yeah.
that's true. And I came across one thing that I read it, that in last 7 years of Modi government,
Yeah.
last 7 years, that means the time they came into power,
Yeah, yeah. To
they
2014.
haven't Modi haven't done one single press conference with the
Yeah.
media.
That I know.
Single,
Yeah, yeah.
not a single press conference with the media.
Yeah.
That is what is this going on? In America and in Britain, the prime minister and the president are directly answerable to the people.
Very true.
The media is directly asking the questions to the president and the prime minister. They have to answer it.
Yeah.
Random questions and random answers. They have to do it.
Very true.
But in
Very true.
India, publicity and marketing is the most important thing. No media, no press conference at all. What is this
Very
all?
true.
But let's come to the point.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, the
Yeah.
oxygen crisis. See, if we had done something in the past, if we had it also marketing area division,
Hmm,
if
hmm,
we
hmm.
hadn't, see, every government wants to publicize and marketize their doings. They
Yeah, and
have to
it's
make their
okay. It's
name.
okay to do that.
It's okay, it's fine, but at a certain level,
Hmm.
at a
Yeah.
certain point, over marketing is not a thing. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See,
Very right.
if if you have to do something for the community, for the country, you have to come forward and put aside your the that I am the one. You have to
Huh.
see me. Okay, I am
Yeah.
the one. You have to
Yeah, yeah.
put aside that thing, and you have to work endlessly, enthusiastically. So that is the thing, and I think the government would have uh, tackled the COVID-19 situation more efficiently if they had done something, some more work, more effort in the past 6 7 years to the health sector.
Yeah,
you know
yeah,
but they are doing it. I think they are doing it because in the starting we were not producing any PPE kit. Now
yeah.
we are the
Hmm, hmm.
largest producing largest PPE kit producing in the producer in the world.
Okay. Okay.
So the things are going on, but still I think they would things would have been gone into a different direction if actions were taken in the past. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
my
and at a
opinion.
much rapid pace. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
What do you think about Khela Hobe?
Kela. See, the Kela is done. Kela
Over.
हो चुका है.
Game over.
Kela हो चुका है.
No, the
Game
game is
over
not
हो
on.
चुका है.
Game is over. Okay, let's not go
Game
into that field.
very
Yeah, say, say.
very very good. I think you have put on very good question and very important one. You
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
I think that I personally thought that
Hmm.
at one point about 1 2 months ago,
Yeah.
I thought that, oh, Modi might have been able to
Same, same, same,
won Bengal,
same,
won
same.
Bengal. I thought so, but as some days went past and I came across the things that went down in Bengal, I thought, okay, now the things are not going as I had thought. So the things are going rather in the other opposition
Yeah,
party.
yeah, bro. But they gave it
So
their all. This time they went all out.
yeah, they and you see the thing is, the most important thing is
Hmm.
that from 3 to 77, the number of seats
Yeah,
in
yeah, yeah,
Vidhan Sabha and of West Bengal,
yeah, yeah.
from
So
number
it was
3,
in
three
2016. It
seats
was
they
three
won.
seats.
Three,
Yeah.
yes, 3 seats in
Yeah.
2016. They had 3 seats, only 3 seats, and now they have 77. It is a major win for
Major win.
BJP. It is a
Yeah.
major win. It is a
Is
very big win. And some people are also saying that, if Modi would have imposed president's rule in Bengal, then the
hmm.
results might have been different, totally different. BJP could
Okay.
have won the result, could have won the, yeah, they could have won the election.
Why
And
is
they,
that? Why is
I
that?
think they would, because you are seeing the media and all,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
everything what is going on in Bengal, you know
Yeah, man.
what is going on, the beating up and all the things that is going on in
Yeah,
Bengal, है ना?
yeah, yeah.
You know
True.
that. So the brutality might not have been able to go down as it went.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
So the result would have been different, because the sympathy of the people in Bengal was towards, they sympathized themselves somewhat to Modi.
Hmm,
The
hmm, hmm.
sympathy was somewhat to Modi,
There was
but
anti-incumbency also.
but yeah, the anti-incumbency also, very much anti-incumbency. But you see, the people are loyal. The
Ah.
people are loyal, and when Mamta Didi took a chance and the leg thing
Ah.
went very
Acha,
well,
was the leg
very
thing
well.
right? Was the leg thing truth or fake? What do you think?
No,
Let's not be let's
I
not get
I will not comment on this. I will not comment on this. This is
otherwise you
side
will be
taking.
banned in Bengal. No problem. We have gone
No,
too far ahead. We have gone too far ahead.
no.
Let's not.
But I will say the leg thing had done its
A
work,
major role.
and it went pretty well.
It went pretty well. Bro, but the best thing
Yeah, yeah,
I liked about this election was that both the parties were, on. Both the parties were against each other, and both the parties
yeah, yeah,
are
yeah,
not going to give
yeah.
up
And
this time,
and
man.
yes, that's true, that's true. But some in some seats, as Mamta Didi lost already in Nandigram,
Mm-hmm.
the
Yeah,
big
yeah, yeah.
loss, the biggest
Against
loss in Bengal, Nandigram.
Subhendu Adhikari.
But
Yeah.
also Subhendu Adhikari, yeah,
Yeah.
Subhendu Adhikari. But also in several seats, the winning proportion of the TMC, the Vidhayaks, is about 17 2,000 or 1,700 votes. Such less
Mm-hmm.
difference between the BJP and TMC.
Yeah.
Such
Right.
less. The
Right. Right.
population
Right.
of millions and the win percentage is such. The gap is such low. This is a big thing, very big thing, very
Yeah.
very big, and I think that is a very big win for BJP as well.
Huh. That is also true. So, as you mentioned that the violence is going on, and wherever we can see wherever we go, even if we go on the social media, you can see violence, and not the verbal abuses also you can see from all the sides nowadays. And I'm not talking specifically about Bengal, but in the overall scenario. So, do you think that India is becoming more intolerant day by day? again a question that can drive you into deep shit. But what do you think? Has India become more intolerant in the say past 7 years?
See, the thing is, I think intolerance is not going on, but abuse of power. I will say, I'm not taking any sides or anything like that, but the abuse of power is the most and the biggest threat to independent and free democracy. The biggest
Yeah,
threat,
yeah.
abuse of power, and that's what we are seeing in Bengal. I will say it, but I'm
Okay.
not taking any sides. So my friends
Yeah,
in
yeah,
Bengal, please don't hate me for that.
yeah.
Please.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely, definitely. Yeah. So also,
Yeah.
the if people ask two three things about Indian democracy and all, so one will be that the media is all all out, and the second thing is that there is a lot of corruption. Like in the Modi government, we hear this word less often, but in the Manmohan Singh, in 2014, the BJP highlighted this point
Hmm.
the most. So, and also somewhere the
It is a
bureaucrats.
lot more older than Manmohan Singh.
This is also true, but it was highlighted the most in his tenure by the opposition. Yeah. So and also this
Yeah, that
thing
that is
also,
that is also true.
why is there this notion that the IAS IPS of our country tend to take money from people in the illegal way, on or you can say in layman's language from under the table.
Uh, I think bureaucracy in India is somewhat dependent on it, but
on
it's not. But
on
it's
on the
not the fault
government,
of,
on politics.
no, on the money they take.
Okay, yeah, 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 bro. Because here we are not, giving any masala or something. But also the point is that what I think that their salary is so less. Like if you take apart all the luxuries that they get, their salary like an IS gets what 70, 80,000 or less than that.
No, no, no.
DM of an
The
area.
salary and the privileges are very high.
Then why? Then
See,
why?
the starting salary of an IS officer, the trainee officer trainee is about 56 to 58,000 rupees per month.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so he starts from there. But the salary of a cabinet secretary, the highest civil servant in India, is
Hmm.
2 lakh 50,000 per month.
Okay, okay. Then why is there this
So,
notion?
so I see the reason behind it is that when we got independent in 1947, India was very poor, very much
Yeah,
very blundered place was it.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because of the British, they left so much. All the things were as in Hindi तितर बितर तितर
Yeah,
बितर थी सारी
yeah, yeah.
चीजें.
Hmm.
और अब और and the biggest thing, the bureaucracy in India is the one that, and I'm not against the IAS officers or the civil servants,
Yeah,
is
yeah.
the one that thinks they are an elite group, they are an elite
Hmm.
one.
Yeah,
And
true,
that is
true,
not
true.
from now, it is from the independence, from the period of independence
Yeah,
all.
I think before it also,
Because
because
the
before that
British.
the British used to appoint the DMs of the area. I think there was some rule like that.
Yes, yes,
So
yes, yes.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's and yes, that is, yeah, that is the point. The British appointed those district magistrates of the districts, so that given them a certain set of powers that
Yeah,
they thought themselves as elite group. That was the thing that
superior.
give me money, then I will do that. Give me some more money,
Hmm.
then I will pass this. Give me money, then I will do that. So that
Yeah.
thing is in the the blood of bureaucracy. The blood
Ah.
of bureaucracy is,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it is flowing like the blood of bureaucracy. So it is from that period also. But now the IS officers, the civil servants are more, more literate, and more
Yeah.
not literate, more, more
Honest.
enthusiast towards their job, towards their
Yeah.
work.
Yeah.
Honesty, they
More
are more,
loyal,
yeah,
we
they are
can
more
say.
honest.
Yeah.
They are more loyal, and they are more interested in, doing their work rather than taking some money, some few crores, some two
Mm-hmm.
three crores, and then rather later in their career they face some, investigation and then go to jail.
Yeah.
They don't
Yeah.
want to
Yeah.
take that chance. So nowadays the recent, batches of IS officers
Mm.
is doing well, I think so.
Yeah. So basically,
Yeah.
okay, so what do you think that there are two theories going out in this country that India is going to be the superpower, India is going to overtake China up to 2030. So what do you think? This is the truth, or on the other side, people are saying that, I don't want to mention the word, but India is going to become that Rashtra, and people are not going to think of development. Everyone is thinking of religion here. What do you think that which theory would you like to believe more?
I think if
Hmm.
it is somewhat true that we will be superpower in the in the distant future, not
Yeah,
near future, but the distant future,
yeah.
about 2050, 2060, 2070, about that, from 30, 40, 50 years from now, you
Okay.
know, we are going in that direction. And if
Hmm.
we believe Modi ji, if we believe him, we are going to become $5 trillion economy, and
I
that
don't believe that.
is
I can believe anything but that with the current scenario.
I said if we believe him. I
Yeah,
didn't say
if
you have to believe him.
yeah,
I said if you believe him.
yeah, yeah.
So if you believe him, so we will become $5 trillion economy, and that is equal to Japan.
Okay.
That is equal to Japan. Japan and Britain. You know, China and America are the only ones that which are, in double digits of
Hmm.
$1 trillion economy.
Okay,
China is
okay.
about China is about $17 trillion economy, and America is about 22 to $23 trillion economy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So they are the only ones that are in double digits. We
Okay.
all are in single digits.
Hmm.
And right now we are about $3.1 trillion economy.
Okay.
So we are moving in that area. So, but yeah, as you pointed out, religion is taking more pace than the development, and that is very, very, haunting thing.
Yeah,
Very
yeah, yeah.
haunting thing. Because see, I'm not against any religion or anything like
Hmm.
that. I believe in some religion of mine.
Yeah,
I believe in my
definitely.
religion.
Yeah,
I worship the my God.
yeah.
But the religion cannot develop a country. This is the
Hmm.
truth. This is the
Yeah.
bitter truth.
Yeah, yeah.
यही
True.
सच है. कोई
Hmm.
धर्म किसी देश को आगे नहीं बढ़ा सकता है. Any
Right.
religion cannot, uh, develop a country to at its most.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
then some people will say, oh, Saudi Arabia is a developed country.
I don't.
See, the thing, I don't say that religion is stopping something, but
Yeah.
involving only in the religion is a bad thing.
Yeah. Right.
Involving
Right.
only in the religion is a bad thing, because
Right. Right.
if you only give your time to the religion, okay, Hindu ye, Hindu wo, Muslim ye, Muslim wo, Jain ye,
Hmm.
Jain wo. So this is not going to solve any real life problems. The problems that a
Yeah.
community is facing, the rural people, गांव के लोग जो problems face कर रहे हैं,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
people that are facing those big problems, the water problem, the
Hmm.
housing problem, sanitation problems, the religion is not going to do anything
Very true. Very
apart
true.
from dividing people, and apart from stopping you from going to the developed country. status.
Yeah, very true. Also, bro, we see
So
the
that's
we
what
saw the
it
same
is.
thing in this COVID. Like when coronavirus hit India in the second wave, and when the people are roaming around for in the need of oxygen, then it's not saying that who is Hindu, who is Muslim. Like a person dying is a person dying. It's a dead body. Like it's not a Hindu or a Muslim.
Yeah, yeah, that.
Yeah. So now moving ahead to the next section. So when we told everyone that on our Instagram page that Aryan Pandey is coming a UPSC aspirant, then people had many questions to ask. So first question is from Dhananjay Kumar Mishra from Patna, and he asked that why do you want to join civil services? Like why not any
Uh,
other occupation?
See, I want to be really honest about it.
Hmm.
The
इंटरव्यू वाला आंसर नहीं
I,
चाहिए.
इंटरव्यू में भी यही लेंगे एकदम सच.
Ah, okay, okay. Now that's good. Yeah.
you know so the main reason is that I really love the prestige and the job diversity of an IAS officer. you know and as job diversity, I mean, as a as what, if you go to a private sector, you
Hmm.
go to a software company, or
Hmm.
you go to a any other food manufacturing company, or any textile company, or
Yeah.
any other private sector. And if you go to any other occupation, like if you become a chef, if you
Hmm.
become any designer, you have to do one kind of work. If you
Yeah.
are an engineer, software engineer, you have to do one kind of work. You have to only code, and then show the output, and then go to the boss and say, oh, I have done it.
Yeah.
You can see it, sir.
Yeah.
So uh, but in this civil services,
Hmm.
in this the IAS,
Hmm.
the civil services.
Hmm.
The thing is that you have the most diverse job profile.
Hmm. Hmm.
You don't know how many sections you have to work. you know uh, After you complete your training and you become a senior IAS officer, like 5 or 6 years from the joining, uh, you become a senior IAS officer. But then
Hmm.
you are appointed as a collector of a district.
Yeah.
You are appointed as a district magistrate, and then about 2 3 years after that, you are called upon the state government,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
you are appointed as the finance secretary,
Hmm.
or the deputy finance,
Yeah.
or now you are sent to central government, and you are appointed, you are set to work in the education department, and then you
Hmm.
are set to work in the the health department, and then you are set to work in the steel section, steel ministry. you
Hmm.
know there are so many works, so many job profiles, so many such diversification, the respect, and the societal impact, the direct societal impact that IAS
Hmm.
officer, a civil servant, makes throughout the community is very, very
Yeah.
revolting. As a software engineer or as a developer, what you can do, you can make an app, you
Hmm.
can show it to the
Hmm.
people can interact with it
Hmm.
to you through it. you know
Hmm. Hmm.
they can use it like Facebook or like Twitter or anything,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
and you can earn money. But
Yeah.
here the thing is, apart from money, it is such a high thing. It is very above from money, because money is one thing. You are earning money, you are getting a salary, you are getting a house, you are getting a car, you are getting so much privileges, health benefits, you are getting traveling benefits, everything you are getting. But the thing is that you are participating in the making of a policy of a democratic country.
That will impact
You are
millions
doing
of
so
people.
that will impact millions of people. Yes, that's the main point. That is the main point.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so that is that.
Yeah. Then Sambhavi Srivastava asked, like, how can one be patient throughout the preparation journey? Since patience is the most is a very important factor in any competitive exam, especially in UPSC, where people give it for 2 3 attempts. So how can one be patient?
uh, you have mentioned the web series TVF,
Aspirants.
the aspirants.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. It it's somewhat
Yeah. There is a line that
three
the
things.
person who will have patience, perseverance, and dedication will crack IAS.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes,
So,
yes.
but
But
how to
the
inculcate
two thousand
patience?
2018 topper Kanish Kataria,
Yeah. I know.
2019, he also said this, that three things are most important in the preparation of civil services:
Okay. Okay.
patience, perseverance, and hard work.
Yeah.
Patience is very important. You see, it is a very long and thorough process, the examination. It is a
Hmm.
very long process, a year
Hmm.
long process. So
Yeah.
if you start in preparation in May June, because
Hmm.
see, the prelims happens in about June or May or June, in this month. So if you start in this month, then for the next year, so
Hmm.
you have one whole year for the
Hmm.
preparation,
Hmm. Hmm.
you
Hmm.
know for the preparation. But if you want to give this year, so you have to
Yeah.
prepare about 6 7 months earlier. So you have to be very much patient. So you prepare for the prelims,
Yeah.
you prepare for the mains, you know and the if you have prepared for the prelims, don't stop and prepare for the mains examination, because mains is the one you have to
Hmm.
uh, you know uh, attempt only 60 questions only, about 50 to 60 questions, and you will get, if they are correct, you have to uh, correct only 50 to 60 questions. I mean, the cutoff only goes to up to 105, 120
Hmm.
out of 200.
Hmm.
So you have to only get up to that mark, and the rest you can leave it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
preparation for the prelims is also very important. So you prepare for it, but then you see, there is a 2 3 month gap between prelims and mains.
Hmm.
So prelims and mains, there is a gap. So you have to, you don't have to stop in that period. You have to prepare and revise more and more for the mains examination.
Yeah.
The more you revise, the more you memorize the things. And
Yeah.
I read one time this thing that uh, the less you study but the more you revise, the chances
Yeah.
of success are high and high. you
Very
know
true.
it is not important that how much you study. Of course you have to study the syllabus and you have to complete it, but कि ये भी पढ़ लें, वो भी पढ़ लें, स्पेक्ट्रम भी पढ़
Right.
लें, ये और
Right.
पूरी हिस्ट्री की दूसरी वो बिपिन चंद्रा भी पढ़ लें, सब पढ़ लें, तो ऐसे नहीं होगा ना. You have
Yeah.
to go through one subject, one book, and one by one topic. So you have to follow only one thing,
Yeah. Very true.
and you have to revise it again and again and again, until and unless you are sure that, okay, now I have completely revised it and now I can write any answer. And answer writing is the most important part in the preparation.
Yeah.
You have to write appropriate answers of the questions.
Very
The
true.
better you write, the more marks you get. So it is a year long process, this examination. So after the mains examination, you have this
Interview.
interview in 1 or 2 months after the mains result is announced. So you have to be patient. You don't have to be very much you know excited about anything, so that you
Yeah.
can uh, you have to maintain your uh, mental state,
Calmness. Yeah.
because see, mental state is also very important in this preparation. So yeah.
Yeah, very true. Okay, so now we are moving on to the rapid fire round. So in this rapid fire round, you have to answer quick, and you have to answer in either a one word answer or a one line answer. Okay. So yeah. So here is the
Hmm.
first question: that one thing you will definitely try to change if you become an IAS officer. One thing.
One thing,
Yeah.
the healthcare system,
Healthcare system. Okay. Your favorite character in
health and
Aspirants.
education both.
Okay, okay. Your favorite character in Aspirants, TVF Aspirants.
Aspirants, that I am forgetting his name, but the man who became IS.
Abhilash. Abhilash is
Abhilash, Abhilash, yeah, Abhilash Gupta.
yeah.
Abhilash, yeah.
Okay, okay. The boy inside would have been shouting "Dharra, Dharra," but no problem. Okay, yeah. So best PM of India according to you till date.
Mm,
You won't be judged.
I
Say
have to name
whatever you
three.
want. No, 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 no. You can't
I,
do that.
I, I,
You can't,
please, I have to name
no, no,
three.
you can't appease the left, right, center. You can't do that with the Congress name. BJP. One.
No, no, I will give you three names. Okay, I will give you three
Okay,
names.
okay, okay.
First is Indira Gandhi.
Appeased.
Second
Congress
is
appeased. Okay, now.
second is second is Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Okay, this is this is out of the box. Yeah, and third,
Yeah, yeah. And the third is Atal Bihari
Atal Bihari
Vajpayee.
Vajpayee. Bro, you are not taking Narendra Modi's name. I thought the three will be Indira Gandhi, Narendra Modi, and Atal Bihari
No,
Vajpayee.
no, I don't think that Narendra Modi has done anything as of now. That will be remembered, apart
Oh,
from
the surgical strikes.
the three. No, surgical strike was the demand of army and air force. It was
Hmm.
the only political will that was holding them off. It was
Okay,
not his.
yeah.
It was not his place.
Okay.
But I think that apart from Modi has only done one or two things: the revocation of
370.
370 Article 370, and the triple talaq,
Yeah. Very true.
and for the Hindus, the
Ram
Ram
Mandir.
Mandir,
Biggest thing,
the
bro.
biggest
You
one,
have
the
to put
biggest
it.
one.
You have to put it right above. Yeah.
Yeah,
A quality every IS should have.
uh, hardworking.
Definitely. Because you can't do without that in that field. Yeah. The
Hmm.
best advice you have got from someone.
Hmm. Never quit, and repeat and repeat and repeat.
Okay, who gave you this advice?
Uh, my mother.
Okay. So she must be knowing that my son is going for UPSC, so you have to repeat and repeat. No, bro. I hope you crack it in
No,
the
no,
first
no,
attempt.
no, no,
We hope you crack it in
no,
the
no,
first
no.
attempt.
And I don't think that I'm going for 2 3 attempts. I
Okay.
have to do it in the first one, or I am a failure. I have to
No,
do
no,
it in
no,
the first
no,
attempt, and
that's not
I
right, but
think I will
okay.
do it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
I
definitely.
the and very important thing, very important thing is
Hmm.
positivity. Positivity is very important.
Positive
You have to be
approach.
positive. Positive approach, yes.
Yeah, very true.
Always
Yeah,
positive approach.
yeah. Your inspiration apart from your family member, like one person from which you derive inspiration apart from your family members.
Mm, Apart from my family member,
Hmm. Shruti Jayan Deshmukh.
uh,
Shruti Jayan Deshmukh, for
no,
everyone who is seeing, was a AIR 5 in 2019 or 18.
1818.
18, yeah. Yeah, so your inspiration.
My inspiration is, I will say, mm, this is something different.
No problem, just say.
Uh, Netaji.
Uh, Subhash Chandra Bose.
Uh,
Ah,
yes,
okay, okay.
but
Yeah, bro.
I
Why
am
can't you
this.
derive
This is
inspiration?
this is a new question for me. I never expected it. Apart from my
Expect
family
the
member.
unexpected here. Expect the
Yeah.
unexpected. Yeah, because we know now whenever you ask someone, the other person will say my father, my mom. So we have,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
just we have took that part aside. Yeah. So if you had a chance to meet someone, a leader from the history, alive or dead, who
Mm.
would you like to meet?
Adolf Hitler.
Oh, I don't know why, but I was expecting this answer and why.
You were expecting this?
Yeah, I don't know why. It also comes to my mind. Whenever I think of leader, two, three names come to my mind: Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, and Adolf Hitler. So I was expecting this.
Yeah.
Why?
Because of his leadership, not because the deeds he has done,
Yeah,
because of
I
his
understand.
leadership quality.
Like, how was he able to influence so many people, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. And what would you, the last question of the rapid fire, what would you want to have written on your tombstone, on your grave? Like when you die, what one line would you like to have written up there?
uh, be alive.
Be alive. You are dead, bro. You are dead.
Be alive. Be alive.
Like you don't have any
That's
answer.
what. No, I don't. I cannot think. What will I write on my tombstone?
Yeah. One line from you to this world.
I will write, do what you want to do, otherwise come lay down beside me.
Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. Okay. So this was the end of our rapid fire round. So Aryan, how was your experience on our podcast?
It was very good. Some questions I did not expect. Some very good questions, and
Yeah.
very. It was very unique and very nice experience for me.
Yeah. And
Thank you for
also,
calling me. Thank you very much.
yeah, our pleasure. And one advice from your side that you would like to give everyone who is listening to this.
My advice regarding what?
Anything like anything you want to say to the people out there.
Uh, I think
I
you
think
have
try
to
for
do
UPSC.
something. No. I
Don't
think that
increase the
you have to
competition.
do something. No. I think you have to do something so that the people, you know, they they show willingness to listen to you.
Hmm,
They are
great
willing
point.
to listen to you. They
Great
wait
point.
to listen to you.
Great point.
Be
Great
that one.
point. Great point. So this was actually a answer of a chela of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, because everyone used to, everyone used to wait to listen to his poetries and all. Okay, so this is it. So Aryan, thank you for coming on our podcast. And yeah, this is me, Akash
Thank you,
Mishra,
thank you,
signing
thank you.
off. Akash Mishra signing off with Aryan
And this
Pandey.
is, thank
Thank
you,
you,
thank you,
guys.
thank you very much.